We're just going to go over some cool stuff we learned. That is me doing feedback.
Yeah.
And, um,
It's Kevin Adams. I'm not reverbing. I'm lucky because my audio is hit or miss. So,
yeah, his is
um,
working great this week, and mine is sucking it up.
so
So, all right, Kevin, you said you found something cool.
yeah, things that don't suck this week. All right, for all ChatGPT Plus users, memory is automatically enabled. So I don't know if you actually have to tell it to remember or if it will automatically remember and recall anything that you told it. I haven't tested and played around with it, but um, yeah. So play around with memory, see how that works. That could be good or bad in some cases if you're used to using it in one way, and then suddenly, if it remembers everything, and now you got to tell it something different for different cases. I don't know, but I mean, that sounds like nothing short of amazing.
That is pretty cool. I will. I will say that I've been playing around with a AI writer this week,
Hmm.
and today I was exploring the knowledge base section they have built into their site, and you can do web pages. So you can add web pages to their knowledge base. You can add PDFs, and you can have a notepad. So if you do a web page, it will check the whole entire site and add it to the knowledge base.
Wait, what was the site?
Try journalist.
Oh yes.
Yeah. So I've been working on this affiliate marketing site, and I'm like, I'm not sure exactly what to write. So I just had it scrape their entire site, and then their blog articles, and then their help files, and then I started giving it outlines. And we wrote some really nice stuff today. So I'm going to start implementing that knowledge base because you read it and you're like, oh, yeah, I could see where you helped yourself to this little snippet of content and reworded it. Yeah, it was pretty nice.
So what would be the point of an outline?
So, so I can here. I'll just pull up the site. I'm not. One day this is gonna bite me, but um. So we have our key takeaways. How do you generate articles? You can generate articles using keywords, titles, and descriptions. I found their YouTube channel, so I'm using their videos to build authority. So right here, my H2, uh, H3, H3, and H3. So basically, my H3s are a part of my H2, which is generating articles. So keywords, language, and personality, and internal and external links. There's a lot more, but I kind of ran out of time before I actually had to start doing work. So this was the other reason. Uh, TriJournalist only lets you do three H3s, so three subcategories. So
Hmm.
what I did was I did two H2s like this. Then I could do six the H3s. That way it all follow the same pattern.
Hmm.
Yeah. So how to integrate with WordPress, Shopify, Blogger, Wix, Webflow, and Zapier. And what industries does it work in? I did this one for like three 3 H2s and then just did all of the stuff that they think is good to try to rank for against the competition. So here's Autoblogger AI, Bioware AI, Zimwriter AI, and Draft House and Koala. So
Is
and
it
then I
Draft
did a
House?
Draft
Horse.
Horse.
Yeah. Huh. I gotta mark these down.
Yeah. So yeah, I never heard of any of these, but
Yeah.
that's who they were trying to do on their site. So I've still probably got like this page is 4,400 words. I'll probably get it to about 8 or 10,000 words before I'm done. So, but yeah, and then I've got blog posts that are relevant to AI content writing that are going to start showing up on the site every day for like the next 40 days. So, yeah, and then by next, what's today? So, if everything goes to plan, by next Tuesday when we meet, this should have about 3 to 500 links to this page.
Dang.
So basically, we're going to do affiliate marketing on this page and then um, try to outrank them for the keywords that they're trying to rank for.
Wow.
So, yeah, this site's 100% AI. There's nothing on here that I actually wrote. It's all AI. So, I still got some tweaking to do. It has social medias up here. I technically don't have social medias yet. I should probably get those and start doing those, but it is what it is.
Without reading it still looks good. I mean,
Oh, it
there are
reads
words
really
on the
well.
screen. Oh.
It reads really, really well.
Creating
Yeah.
a content strategy that is both dynamic and effective. Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got to work really hard on trying to figure out how to smooth out the word delve. It just keeps popping up even when I tell it not to. This one doesn't have delve on it, but I
No,
see.
but it does have in the error, which is one of those that I don't really like. I'll probably change that out. But yeah. Okay, so I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos on uh, YouTube videos. A lot of YouTube videos on building a YouTube account and getting traffic and subscribers, mainly to get business for my marketing business, obviously. And here is one of the stats I heard that look, Google's 4.11.7 rule. Google made a rule that's 7.11.4. So a consumer needs 7 hours of engagement across 11 touch points in 4 separate locations. So if you think about that,
7 hours.
7 hours. Yeah. Trust, like instant trust, is at an all-time low. So you got to have more touch points and contact with them. So then I'm sitting there thinking, as my little marketing brain is going nuts hearing that, I don't even know if I have 7 hours of good content that people would just watch over and over and over.
Yeah, 7 hours is pretty significant.
Yeah. So if you think about it,
Unless, oh, go ahead.
go ahead.
I was gonna say it's like there's a basically if a person, it doesn't matter how many people say something. Like let's say you hear some piece of information. It doesn't matter how many people say it. It matters how many times you're exposed to that piece of information. Partly as to whether you're going to believe it, unless you're predisposed to already believing something different. So, like the first exposure you would have to something, if it's positive, is increasingly likely to be positive unless you're shown something that makes that like change, right?
Yeah.
So, but basically, or the opposite. If you're already like, hey, that's negative, now you hear about something, and like, yeah, you can't tell me that's positive. You're gonna have to like really prove that to me, right? But so let's say that you say something to someone 5 times and I say something to someone 5 times. You think that's going to make a difference more than if I said the same thing to someone 10 times? And not really. Unless they're predisposed towards trusting one of our opinions much, much greater
Yeah.
or less.
Yeah. And I believe
No.
it's just about building that initial trust. Because like
Well, I guess.
they were talking about talking to like even like real estate agents that were just what's involved with the HELOC loan, just doing like 10-minute videos like that, and how many people were coming to them and just excited that they were meeting them because they had watched so many of their videos, and just
Oh,
sending over contracts, not actually meeting in person, just having a quick phone call because they had already built up enough reputation and trust with that person just based off their videos.
wow. That's
Yeah.
a that's huge.
Yeah.
I guess part of my thought was you could piggyback off something, especially if it's not overdone. Someone comes in, they've proven some kind of trust in a product or a new thing that people hadn't heard of. Because if people haven't heard of like a solution to a problem, it is a difficult sell. All
So
right, hiccup, hiccup for a second.
your product, they did say products can infer trust. And you're like, okay, that doesn't,
But yeah, can you explain?
yeah, that doesn't make sense. But if you're looking at a $5,000 Canon camera and the guy that's doing the video on it has it in his hand and is telling you the good, the bad, and ugly about it, that product is giving you authority.
That makes sense.
Yeah, because anything high dollar means that you care enough to actually try and test it.
Yeah,
So, and
yeah.
it doesn't have to be high dollar, but that just helps get the point across for this example. But yeah, that products can infer trust and lead new subscribers to your channel. Yeah,
So if you didn't know that I wasn't a car guy, I could roll up in let's say, I don't know if Tesla's a good example at this moment, but let's say I rolled up in a Ferrari and I'm like, yeah, I'll talk to you about a little bit about cars until you listen to me for 5 minutes. And then he didn't know what the hell he's talking about. But to begin with, right? Is that where you're going? That would infer
yeah,
trust on me?
yeah. More of like, so doing reviews of products. Yeah, I like that. Yeah. So I mean, like there was I can't remember his name, but he was doing TikTok videos over 2 year period that he just kept showing off more and more fancy, expensive products, and everybody thought he was rich, but he just ran a scam call center and finally got caught. And I mean, he had money, but brands were making deals with him, and he cleared like 450 million in 2 years, and most of his money was coming from a scam center. Yeah,
Whoa.
yeah, he's in jail,
Oh, well,
obviously,
you
but
know. Yeah, but there's probably some money tucked away somewhere.
yeah, and like brands were just partnering with him because he was buying so much of their stuff and had such a huge reputation online that they didn't know what he was doing on the backside.
Yeah, I understand that's one of the dangers that brands are starting to recognize about influencers is that you're hitching your wagon to that brand, the influencer. And so if that influencer goes wrong, now you could look that way. And I don't know how they're dealing with it.
Yeah.
But
All right.
because
You
everyone
ready
holds
for our
someone's
random?
like, oh yeah, let's do it. Let's do it.
Go ahead.
It's just, I don't know how people people are taking our, opinions and now, oh, you're a great person. And now you hear some opinion that makes me go, oh, you're just a scumbag because whatever. And it's just I don't know, something that 10 years ago would have just been, may not have been online. I don't know.
Ooh, we're
El
going
Paso. Here we go, El Paso. And there's Admiral on the left. It's a remarketing platform.
Give me just a second.
So El Paso may not be our winner. Are we gonna have to redo this?
No, it is. I just
okay.
Closed it for the other one. No.
All right, spin it.
Oh my, that laggy. I'm trying to paste in the deals. There we go. IT, was that what we did last week?
It is what we did was IT support.
All right. We're going to spin again. I don't want to do IT support.
No.
There's like 300 things on this list in it. Media development.
Okay. Be interesting. I bet we get some anti-conversion rate kind of stuff. Barracuda Public Relations. Okay. We are a megaphone. Hey, that's a nice catchy tagline there.
7, 8. All right. We got Excellent Networks.
Yelp again. Happened last week.
Yeah. Big Media Signs.
All right.
Let's do that one.
Let's find out. I want to see first. Well, how does this page rank? Period.
Yeah. How does the Contact Us page outrank any other?
Someone want to check its robots file?
Yeah. All right.
Well, it's a big video file, so that's
Yeah.
probably not helping. They got to do it.
Yeah, they have to. We have a Facebook and an Instagram. Their vehicle wraps. I mean, I do like the way this looks.
Yeah.
Testimonials are a little rough.
But they're trying to instill trust by showing us a convention center that people are probably familiar with.
Yeah. Yeah, that they did all the signs and sponsored it. Let's see. Got a spam score 3, which is good. 501 links to the homepage. Page authority 27 and domain authority is 17.
There's that testimonials right there on the nav.
Yeah. I want to click their social. They had it linked at the bottom.
Ooh, that is a slow loading page.
That didn't load nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah. See what the testimonials looks like. It looks like somebody spent 30 seconds. Let's see what the gallery looks like. Gallery, it looks, at least looks good.
Yeah.
All right. Services.
Yeah. Pictures aren't bad at all. But so far they failed on actual content, like text content.
Yeah, every other aspect of their site.
Ooh. Still like they're so oh, what the heck is that?
That is all one image.
Oh.
So this is the only content they actually have on this page. And a photo gallery, which just takes you to the gallery. Oh. Oh, this is why stuff doesn't rank very well. Let's look at the About page. I mean, that's almost more content than any other pages have.
I'm betting. I don't know these guys. I'm just going to take a guess that somewhere in the executive offices, the discussion is that the sales process needs to get better.
Yeah.
Not realizing they're just not getting traffic because they're not bothering to put out content.
And they don't have a blog at all. Although, see.
Wait, the XML file does not appear to have any style information. Oh, is that normal?
Yeah, that's normal.
Okay.
But this is the part.
Stunning.
Yeah.
I would not have expected that. I would not have expected you to put up a blog page to tell me that you have a blog page coming.
Yeah. So I bet you. Let's see. We'll go to that here in a minute. Let's see if they are active on social. they're hiring.
Oh, a month ago.
Oh god, 25th. Yeah, over a month ago, and then January 12th, and then November 22nd.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I think our road to success is to follow them and post up once every couple months. That's good enough, right?
Yeah, basically. Let's see if their Instagram is any
And
better.
one of those is a hiring.
No, Instagram is the same. They do almost have 1,000 followers on Instagram, and 1,400 followers on Facebook.
Wait, what was their location again?
El Paso,
Okay.
which may be all they need for El Paso.
What was the original search?
Um,
Media development?
yeah,
That's not good.
yeah,
If you are in El Paso as a media company, okay, a sign company, but man,
yeah.
there's got to be some much more competitive media companies.
See, they rank for 53 keywords and only one in a top 3 spot.
Wait, what time period is that traffic by location?
It
Second
should
row
be
to the right.
14. Yeah. This is
When
kind of
your
what
contact page is the only one ranking, and it's on page 2.
Yeah. Oh man. Yeah, let's actually see. Big media. So their brand name is what ranks position 3.
Well, I wonder what we pull up with big media as a search.
Oh.
Because they're big. I mean, like an actual like search, because they're big media signs, right? I wonder if there's
Yeah, so
other companies with that name.
Big Media TV and Arizona Big Media.
Oh.
Yeah. They're beating out Wikipedia.
Oh. Yeah.
Yep. Neon signs in El Paso. They're in the 6th spot for
All
El
right.
Paso signs. Here, let's actually take a look. It's their homepage.
Hey.
Yeah, so if you start looking at it, they just
That's where they
need,
got their 14 visits. Was that one?
yeah,
Right?
yeah, because they're, I mean, traffic. There's their traffic right there.
Banners, El Paso. Actually got some. El Paso Sign Company.
Yeah, so they just need to, actually, let's go, let's look at the, so events, sponsors, big media shopping. They just need actual links that have like anchor text that they want to rank for. It'd probably help. I mean, besides adding a mess load of content to their actual site and being helpful to people.
Yeah, helpful. Is that important? Wait,
A little
hold
bit.
on a second. No, I'm gonna call you to the floor on a lie you've told, Casey. You said that links matter. This is pure conspiracy nonsense.
Pure conspiracy.
Because according to Google,
Yeah. Oh man. Let's see. Yeah, so here's their anchor text. It's all brand or website, visit website, or no anchor text at all. First scene. We have one link this year.
oh, we got a link. That's
Yep.
Well, we're a day away from the 5th month, so at this pace, they'll get 2 more.
Yeah.
Before 2025, huh?
All right, let's see what SEMrush says. I mean, most of their traffic is coming from the U.S.
Yeah, they had one visit from Vietnam. It said they were down a visit month over month from their India traffic, which
Yeah.
was 1 down to 0. So they're much more focused.
Yeah.
What is AR? What, Aruba?
I believe so. I believe so.
IT is, or sorry, AI is. Which one is? I can't remember what country is the TLDAI. It's not the only company that's gone through this. Like I think .it is supposed to be for Italy.
Yeah.
Who owns that one? Anguilla? Is that how you say it? Located in the Caribbean?
Oh, wow.
Huh.
Yeah, so their top keywords, according to this, is big media El Paso. So brand name in the city, brand name in the city state, and then brand name.
I think I pronounced it wrong. I think it's Anguilla.
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 Yeah, so this one just needs content.
Yeah, a lot of it. Because you get to terrible story. Many years ago. It was really bad. How you were 2008. I was was working on a client, and I at the time now Google can see all of this, but at the time they didn't look at the form and form questions as content, and I didn't understand that. So I changed. I was trying to get people more to the point of conversion and testing that out, and I completely tanked the quality scores down to a 1. Yeah. At the time it was like this. At the time things were a you could go to. It wasn't just a keyword. It was boom. Once you hit 1, it was bad. Like it's bad on one keyword now, but the whole thing was tanked until I had to. It was like took at least 6 weeks to redo, and they decided to leave before then. But, so they're ranking with the only content being that contact form.
All right.
I
So I don't want to do this. I was going to do something, but I don't want to.
well, it's look, their pictures are great. I'll give them that.
Yeah. Well, I
That's
was
as
just
much as
going
I'll give.
to. Okay, I'm going to do it. So here's this site. MoPro, because they're MoPro than everybody else. I mean, not bad. It has reviews pulled in.
Okay.
Is that what I sound like?
What?
Oh, nothing. All right. Get found by more customers. Built more than 100,000 websites.
Okay.
They're human.
What?
Yeah, human. Human. Website features you need.
Oh.
Yeah. We got pictures of everything we do. Custom domain emails, logo listings, review collection, Google Ads, email marketing, competition tracking, rep management, and social media posting. Have us in your back pocket. So they have an app store. I'm going to download that thing. I'll click that here in a minute. You've got a review, video review.
The writer didn't leave a review. The last one.
What was that?
Oh, just the little thing down at the review thing. There's one that person just left a star, but not a review. So they just said this writer user didn't leave a review.
And then brands they've
So
worked with.
100,000.
Yeah. The all-in-one growth engine that powers your business. Prices starting at $199 a month. And that's why they've done near 100,000 because they're not doing enough to keep customers there. So I was talking to a group of people, and they said to never put your company footer link in the bottom of a footer because people can see who all your clients are. Which me, I'll say probably 80% of my clients have my link in their footer. Because they ain't going nowhere. I'm not worried about them. Those clients we talk every other week, I'm not that concerned.
I was told when I've gone to affiliate conferences, don't let anyone find out about who your clients are. But
Yeah.
those are affiliates, so.
So if you see a marketing company that has 300,000 backlinks, you know they put it in their client sites.
Oh, so every site they're building, they're linking back to themselves.
Yes.
This is another place I bet Google's able to pull that stat that links don't matter that much.
Yeah. So when you start adding like 300,000 because of all your clients you've done, of your 100,000 clients you've built, which you start seeing why some websites are bad and why links don't matter that much. The types of links you get definitely matter. Um, the bonus with linking in the footer is it does transfer some authority power, not very much because of where it's located. But when you're talking 3, 4, 500,000 links, then it starts building up. So like MoPro has a domain authority of 39 and a page authority of 59.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if someone was so inclined, actually, let's not do that. Too late. Copy.
I wonder how good their websites are. I guess we could find them, huh?
I already found one and showed it to you. Think big media.
Oh, you're kidding?
No, the one we just looked up. Yeah, big media designs. That was one of their clients.
Oh, but their flaw was not putting content on the page. Oh, hey, when you design a website and you pay an agency to build you a website or whatever, it's not done once you launch. You have to keep doing things. It's not
Yeah.
Anyways.
Yeah, so if you're going to want to hunt down every client, all right, there's all the Glassdoors. They created profiles there. A MoPro website.
Glassdoor.fr.
Yep. So right here, Card Foundry was made by them. Dallas Fingerprinting.
I bet there's nothing on the social. Because these are default options that people have to put up. And then people don't go back and put it up. Wait, is that?
Nope. We got a
Ipsum?
disclosure.
No,
So this is all footer.
What? Yeah.
This is just footer.
So these are defaults. Yep. Oh my gosh. Abel.
Yep.
The AI is not the problem in this case. It's just the assumption that you're done. Got my site. That's all I needed. Thank you.
Yeah. So that's their default footer. From there down.
Ugh, sorry. Ooh.
Yeah, so you could really just go through there.
God.
And start grabbing clients. They're not even, oh my gosh. They're not even HTTPS.
Yeah, and I can't criticize MoPro on this because I haven't seen anything that says this is bad site.
No.
Like by construction, I haven't looked at the code or anything, but I just see people that are misunderstanding.
Socials don't work on the side.
Yeah, these are defaults for the page. It just automatically builds them.
Thumbtack image is gone. Yeah. Oh, look, it works down here in the footer.
Taste Buds Culinary Inc.
MoPro site. "2020" was their last post.
Ah, well.
Let's see. 155 weeks ago. 202 weeks ago.
See what's trending. Holy exteriors. Not secure.
Not secure.
Oh, there's the social. But they don't have a testimonials page, so. Wait, no, wait. They just moved it onto the nav. Okay, there it is. Goodfellas Pizza. I don't know. Would
That's
that...
nice. Hey, here's their social.
Social
I don't know
wall.
why they're running ads on their page. Why do they have ads? Oh, man.
Because they have
So you could just
a
really
web developer that thought it would be, hey, I can help them make some money, and I'm going to set this up and go, look what I'm doing, optimizing ads on the site. But it's a restaurant.
Yeah. That's advertising for other restaurants. Yeah. Let's see. One day, one job. Yeah, so I don't think they've actually done the 100,000 links. I would say that these are their 16 websites. Mainly restaurants, excavating. Yeah, Apex Trucks. Yeah. Oh, I didn't want to open that new tab. I wanted to close it. But yeah, that's who I would go for. Referring domains.
Refinery29.com. VC.ru.
Yeah, so these are all the domains they have links from. So let's see. We want to do follow links with high numbers.
Capital K Contractors.
I hate that. Why do you have to click more to see contact us? Let's see if they actually have. Yeah, a MoPro website. It's just MoPro. It's the anchor text.
New Caney. Just looking at a bunch of... I mean, they did a good job of building out the geo pages. I mean, I didn't look at them. But...
Oh, let's. Oh, hey.
Yeah. All Houston Metro stuff.
Let this load. Yeah. Man, they built pages for all of these. Those are all city pages.
Well, it did good on that.
I mean, yeah.
That's probably exactly the kind of stuff MoPro was designed to do well.
Yeah. They've just failed
Is
at
this
so
a
many of
site
them.
of yours, Casey?
No. No.
You didn't have anything to do with building out MoPro? Okay. Because it got the geos, right?
Their blog page doesn't work.
Okay. I didn't mean that as an offense when I was asking you. All these people are building out pages and don't realize you can't just go and whatever. It's like taking a WordPress template and thinking, "Hey, I got one that looks great. This is all, I'm done." Oh, it's interesting. Apex.
Yeah.
How they. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I did like that. That was cool.
I mean, it's kind of hard to make construction look cool, but that's good. Decent shot at it.
Yeah.
Hate that form. That is the
I
laziest form
hate that.
building. Send message. Yes. Send message. What am I going to get with send message?
Twice.
Oh.
Yeah, so they use the image here, right? And the guy turned around and he took another photo because that's the same spot.
Okay.
And then they use that same image
yeah.
right there.
That form, that was brutal.
That form is
I mean,
brutal.
that is the laziest. Just message. How may we help you? An open-ended question.
Yeah.
Subject. How about services needed or service needed or just get rid of it? After hours phone. Why not? Wait. So wait. Hold on a second. Hold on. I'm sorry. Can you go back to the footer? Go to the footer real quick. Okay. This is. Oh, okay. It's easier to see their after hours phone than it is to find their phone. Yeah, you have to look for the phone just because it's under the logo. Even though it makes sense that it would be like, oh, it's the first one, but visually, yeah.
Visually, that's bigger and bolder. All right, Facebook page hasn't been updated in over a year.
It's a construction company. I mean,
yeah,
maybe. Who is manning their construction? It's not going to be their construction workers.
No,
it shouldn't be their construction workers.
But
yeah,
I mean, okay. This is why you got to have people on this stuff. Now hiring. Post is over a year old. 3 weeks ago.
Yuck. This place
sucks. Yeah. So, and I'm assuming, Apex Excavation is basically another website. Same pictures. Even I don't know how you got the form worse.
That is there's the that is brutal.
I like this one better. I like this
Yeah.
one better.
Agreed. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think the problem that MoPro is I don't know if it's the marketing or if it encourages the user that has magical thinking about a website, because it doesn't
Yeah.
look like MoPro is the problem, but the people who are using it. Hey, look, I can create this. Boom, I'm done. No.
Yeah. Yeah. And I would assume, just based off of what we've seen, that they're not providing a whole lot of information either. I'm assuming, like, let's see, view our gallery. This is their gallery.
Oh, I need a gallery of the construct. Oh.
Oh, does it actually have a blog?
Oh, when I made the comment, I got to clarify about you don't want your construction workers doing your social. These guys are going out and doing hard work, and they're hot and sweaty. You won't want them coming back and doing social after a long hot. Yeah, yeah. A little bit salty if someone goes off on them.
Uh-huh.
Their replies to their reviews may not be as friendly. And if I were in the same position, I would be a terrible social media responder too. So.
And they're using a custom MoPro CS or CMS. So they really can't leave them without having to have their website rebuilt.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh, well, that was smart, but
I mean, it's smart because they can never leave you unless they want to pay even more to have it redone.
yeah.
But you're right. Some of them, I'm assuming this is like their $199 service where they just throw up a site and don't care anymore. And then, like this Capital K Constructions are way more involved.
Yeah, but how do you get that mess up that nav where you have to click a more to get to the contact?
Yeah.
All right, verdict. We need a gavel.
Yeah. Because this is, I'm assuming these are just sites that they've got sidebar links on or something.
Under construction. Please forgive any issues.
Yeah. So I would say they need to do a lot of work on their sites or try to get their clients to be inspired. Look at that. See how I took words out of the picture and made it inspiring?
Yeah. Yeah, they need to give a lot better documentation. Well, I
Yeah.
haven't looked at their documentation, but the guidance, it's not getting across somehow.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's see, does their gallery?
Oh, that was a nice, that was fun.
Yeah. They have videos,
Yeah, these are
good
sharp
pictures.
images.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they're the ones that the blog doesn't actually work. So I mean, overall, we've got one site out of all theirs that we've looked at. That's good.
Foundation repair. Hey, is there any?
Go ahead.
Form could do better. What's the content on that page? Yeah. Okay, this is not the worst. I mean, get down here and it's actually some good stuff.
Yeah, it's not bad. This would be the one good one I've seen. They have 71 reviews, 4.9.
Ooh, that's nice.
Oh, and I say they're actually updating, but April 10th to December 23rd. Facebook yesterday. That's good.
Huh?
2 days ago. I'm not sure I would have shared that to my business page.
Probably not.
3 days. 5 days. 22nd. Okay, so they're at least active. So that one's good. Yelp looks like or Instagram. I'm assuming this was yesterday's. Yep. Yeah. So they're at least trying.
Whoever does that knows how to take the pictures.
Yeah. Yeah, the photos are good. So they have claimed their Yelp. It is filled out, closed now. They do have. They have one review that's not currently recommended. They didn't add any stars. Or is that a 5-star? It's a 5-star rating.
Yeah, because they may have changed it because see they responded to this review.
Yeah, and it is 4 years old.
Yeah. Oh, that company does good work.
Yeah. Yeah, so out of all MoPro sites, we already looked at that one. This is probably, yeah, we'll skip that one. Joe's World Famous Pizza. I don't know why. Why
what? Yeah, I think that's their menu.
No, that's an ad. That is a Google ad. This is a Google ad. And this is a Google ad. Like legit. That's all you could see. Oh. Huh. Oh.
Powered by Haibu. Yeah, mass production.
Yeah. It makes you wonder if they stop their service if they don't take down the site and just add a bunch of ads to it.
Oh. Do not copy any content including images without our consent. Aren't images the primary thing people would copy? I mean,
Yeah.
how about especially image? I mean, I'm just getting particular.
Yeah.
But yeah, that would make sense. You stop paying, we got ads on your site.
All right. Any final thoughts? As I'm choking up over
Please
here.
put content on pages, and if you don't have content for that page, don't show it. Don't give me a blog post saying we have a blog coming soon. Why?
That's 6 years old. And there's never a blog post after that. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
it
man.
hurts. Oh. All right. Yeah, that's when you launch a site, it's not done. It's an evolving
Yeah.
process.
Yeah, you got to keep moving on. This is not a launch and forget and leave it. You have to keep creating content, updating your pages, updating social media. I mean,
You know what? Just run ads on your own page. Don't bother with content.
yeah.
Make sure that any of your social links you just leave there, but don't send them to a page. That's a great user experience.
Yep. Awesome. Well, I don't know what else I could say.
Yeah, the Mo Pro is just like a great idea, but
Yeah.
it needs work.
Yeah. And
The person who achieved creating those automatically seemed like, unless I don't know if they're templated or whatever, it was good, really, really good.
Yeah.
But
yeah. The templates were good. The people that you could tell the difference between the companies that cared because they actually had more images, more galleries. Like that construction company, they had stuff up there.
yeah,
Pages for each city. So they're trying, they had links. So overall, I mean, not horrendous, but
yeah.
I can't necessarily have seen it. I've seen worse, but not by much.
Some bad stuff out there.
Yeah.
And
So,
forms, send message. Make sure, oh, that's right. Make sure you just leave the button as the default send message. And then the open-ended question, just leave it as message. Just that ambiguity, people crave that.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, I think we're going to wrap it up here. We've been an hour and 8 minutes.
Yeah.
We went
All right.
over a bunch of sites and Google's 7-11-4 rule. So
Yeah.
now I need to make 7 hours of good content people will watch.
Right on. All right. See you guys next week.